Look around. Maybe he left a present somewhere.
Yes, up there, a violin.
There's a violin there?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Look. Yeah.
A violin?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Open it up.
What is that? You sure it's a violin?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm lucky. And look at it.
How come he left it over there?
Oh no. He supposed to put it under the tree.
Mm-hmm.
So I can know where's it at.
You're absolutely correct. You sure there's a violin?
Yes, I'm
That's
sure.
not a violin.
What's in there?
Hmm?
You need me to help you?
Yeah. I need you to.